We're at Raj's banana leaf. Finally you can get banana leaf at Ampang. So got all the regular stuff, pretty much like a very limited version of nasi kandar pelita in terms of menu. And yeah, this is a good mid-range restaurant and I'm sure I'm really going to enjoy it. I'm getting a banana leaf meal in traditional local style. We've got some bottle gourd with a sort of tandoori style batter. Having bindi masala there. I think I ordered some curried tofu, or did you order it? Doesn't really matter. I'm going to make a pig of myself. It's one of the last meals I'm going to have in Malaysia. This is my great friend Omar here.
Hey.
I'll just pause that and they'll come back with some other stuff. So then the rice comes over.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you. That's enough rice for me. Then the papads come over, and then the chutney, and then the salted chilies that you can't buy in England, and fortunately I've bought some. But I'm going to do a couple of these recipes. Have a look at the salted chilies there. It's a nice tangy pickle.
What do you want?
Dal, yeah.
Okay, dal? Yeah.
Dal.
Dal.
And yeah, on top. Yeah, thanks. Kasih.
Yeah, chicken. Ayam? Ikan. Fish curry.
Thanks. Ikan.
You want fish?
Ikan, yeah. So fish curry's coming now. Pretty watery, isn't it? I mean, when you think rice is the predominant part of a meal, the curries are pretty watery. But that sounds like I'm putting it in a bad way, but it's not. So, bon appetit. We've also got some sort of tofu sort of curry there. So, bon appetit. Signing off. So the good thing about banana leaf meals, check whether they're limited or unlimited. If they're limited, that means you know, you're finished once you've eaten your first portion. But this is unlimited, so you can get as much as you want and really stuff yourself, and it doesn't cost any more money. But a little bit of etiquette about it. When you've finished, you put your banana leaf in half. It means I've had enough. Thank you very much. So, not quite had enough yet, but thank you very much for watching.